No. To go for the run. DK boss, DK boss, भाग भाग। डैडी मुझसे बोला तू गलती है मेरे के दुम पे जो मारा। हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज सूरज फ्रॉम इंडियन साइकिल मैसेंजर्स और आज हम जाने वाले एक नए राइड पे। ये राइड बहुत डिफरेंट होने वाला है बिकॉज ऑल्दो वी विल बी गोइंग डाउन हिल ऑफ रोड बट स्टिल माई राइड इज़ डिफरेंट टुडे। सो मेट विक्ट्री, दिस विल बी माई राइड टुडे। सो लेट्स गो। नो छोड़ दो जाओ। क्या हो गया इसको? ये सुबह थोड़े से मस्ती करके टाइम बैठना आपको। Cool down, cool down. So here it begins, the ride. Saab, it's a beautiful farmhouse. And even the horse struggles to run. At times he slips. The trees are really very low here. These are very well trained horses. We are just warming up our horses for the actual ride. Not all horses are very easy to control. So we have done the warm-up session. Now we will be actually moving towards our destination, which will be around 8 to 9 kilometers. Horses are full of energy, just excited to go for the run. यार भाई गाना सोचो यार। अब कयामत होगी। So from here the downhill section begins. The horses are excited with lots of energy. They will even try to run on this downhill. This is no easy section, obviously. This can be seen easily. You can see this route, how we can call it, the crashing here will be very terrible. The rock section have ended. Now comes the extreme slope. Daddy मुझसे बोला तू गलती है मेरे। You can see how the horses are struggling with this downhill. Once again the same song. So here it is, one more downhill section. Keep moving, keep moving. I don't think GoPro will hold such a long video, as it will gonna be a 2-hour ride. Ho ho! Ho 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 ho! Good. So we have completed 2 kilometers so far, and Rishi seems to be very excited. He wants to trot and get it recorded. Even in slope. Yeah, even in slope he wanted to trot. हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे। डराच तू ही मंजिल। चाहूँ मैं आना मैं की करा स्टार्ट करूँगा साढ़े बॉडी रे। So Rishi, say hi to the camera again. Hey, man. Maybe that footage is not recorded. Yeah, maybe. शायद से रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ। So, it was really a very interesting part when we all were trotting, but I guess camera was not on. ये दुआ कीजिए। ल ओ
इन झुकती पलकों के सिवा
Yeah, everyone climbing downhill like a pro. दिल के चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए. Now we will going through the jungles. Yeah, now we are going through a very dried, a low kind of vegetation. Horse seems to be exciting and is trotting by itself. I have घोड़े को लग गई ठंडी. टुबुक 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 टुबुक. अखड़ की काठी काठी में घोड़ा के दुम पे जो मारा हाथ. छोटा भीम छोटा भीम. पहाड़ों के ऊपर जंगल के पार ये हंसता और हंसाता है ये असली. मैं हूँ एक निंजा. एक नई तितली बन उड़ू ये हेलीकॉप्टर. डोरेमोन कभी आते जाते रास्ते में कभी स्कूल के बस्ते में ढूंढे तो मिल जाएगा. कितराक्सू पागलों पागल कर देगा जहाँ भी वो जाए. तू मेरे ओह 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 दो जिस्म जा एक है. So that's it, I guess. The charge is at just 1%, so it won't be able to record. So I shall finish this, and we have almost completed 5 kilometers, 3 more kilometers, but I won't be able to record. So that's it. That was a hell ride, a new experience. Keep on watching until next time. This is a small water pool. We're going through it. Let's make their feet wet for a while.
Hi, say hi.
ऋषि
चल रहा है?
1% चार्ज में.
Gentleman suggest some song यार.
ओ बचना हसीनो. Yes. Oh, Naman is now going to lead us. He's trotting to the front. बैठे हुए ओ जाने तमन्ना किधर जा. Trot. Trot. This is the last section of our ride. I thought the camera won't make it, but still it is working at 1% battery. It's still able to do it, so that's a good thing. So that's the last view that we are at. Yo, and we are about to finish our ride. Yo, डैडी मुझसे बोला चाहे वही मुझे जंगली कहे. हाय कर. हम क्या कहे याहू.